How to make a fluffy pancake. Ingredients: 2 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 310 g, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 1/2 cups buttermilk, 600 ml, 8 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, 2 eggs, whites and yolks separated, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, plus more for serving. In a large bowl, add the flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda and whisk to combine. In a medium bowl or liquid measuring cup, add the buttermilk, melted butter, and egg yolks and whisk to combine. Add the buttermilk mixture to the dry ingredients and gently fold with a rubber spatula until just combined. Add the egg whites and fold until just combined. Be sure not to overmix, some lumps are okay. Let the batter rest for 15-30 minutes at room temperature. Add the butter to a cast iron skillet and heat over medium-low heat. Once the butter has melted and is bubbling, reduce the heat to medium-low and add 1/3 cup, 75 g, of batter to the pan. Cook for 2-3 minutes, until bubbles start to appear on the surface. Find the link in the description. Like and subscribe.